Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest gadget and tech products. Today I have the Sony Xperia 5 version 5, the newest flagship from the Sony that promises to deliver a premium experience in a compact design. Let's take a look at what this phone has to offer. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone at discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews and news. Alright, the Sony Xperia 5 version 5 has a sleek and elegant design with a glass front and back protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame. It is also IP65-68 dust and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or splashes. The phone has a 6.1-inch OLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for watching movies or playing games. The display supports 1 billion colors at 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and has a resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels. The colors are vibrant, accurate, the contrast is excellent, and the brightness is sufficient for outdoor use. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is one of the most powerful processor in the market right now. It has an octa-core CPU with Cortex X3 core clocked at 3.2 Hz. It also has an Adreno 740 GPU for graphic performance. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which can be expanded via micro SD card slot that uses a shared SIM slot. This Sony Xperia runs on Android 13, which is the latest version of operating system. It has a clean and smooth user interface with some Sony specific features and apps. The phone also supports eSIM and dual SIM functionality, as well as 5G connectivity for fast data speeds. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint reader that is fast and reliable, as well as stereo speaker that produce loud and clear sound. The Sony Xperia has triple camera setup on the back, consisting of 48 megapixel main camera with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2F sensor for depth sensing. The camera has various modes and features such as portrait mode, night mode, pro mode, and slow motion, time lapse, panorama, and much more. The camera can also record video up to 4K resolution at 120 frames per second with HDR support, as well as 1080p resolution at 240 frames per second. The video quality is impressive, stabilization, dynamic range, and detail. The front camera of Sony Xperia is 12 megapixel sensor with it can also record video up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second or 1080p resolution up to 60 frames per second. The selfie quality is decent with good skin tones and sharpness. This phone has a large battery capacity of 5000 mAh, which can easily last for full day of heavy use or more than 2 days of moderate use. The phone supports fast charging with included 30-watt charger that can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. The phone also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for charging other devices. This phone is a great phone for anyone who wants a premium device that is compact and powerful. It has a beautiful display, a fast processor, and a versatile camera system, a long-lasting battery, and a sleek design. The phone is priced around $999 US, which is quite reasonable for that offer. That is it for this review. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.